Good morning, my friends. Well, today is a very windy day, and if you see the bird feeder, it's like really shaking. So the birds and them having problems to land on the bird feeder. So what I did was I went downstairs and I put a few scoops of bird feed on the ground for the birds on them. So in the next few minutes, let's see if the birds and them do decide to come, if they're going to eat from the ground. Some of them do not like to eat from the ground. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's see what's going on. Okay, guys? And while you guys looking, I'm about to go and start and make breakfast. Okay, I'll be back with you. The noise you're hearing is the trash man picking up the trash from the park across the street. And guys, I want to show you this two dogs that come in is the two dogs from the neighborhood. They was really small and now they get very big. I cannot remember the name, but later on when I go outside and I see the owner, I'll ask the name of the dogs. So we do have some beautiful different dogs in our neighborhood. So friends, I wanted to show you the ground because I told you, right, that the wind was so heavy that I went out there and I put the food on the ground so the birds and them could come and eat, right? So it have some of them on the ground right now. They're just enjoying, a lot of them right there, if you could see that. And they came to eat. It's really windy out there. I'm trying to line the camera up so you guys can see. So if you notice, the trees are blowing really hard. And I just want to let you guys know, yes, we're in the city, but we still have country stuff, okay? And in the country, you'll find the birds always eating. So I wanted to bring the birds here. And you'll see people walking the dog because of the fact that people love dogs, Everybody have a different animal. And my animals, I don't believe in putting them in a cage. Okay? So what I did was I decided to feed the birds on the outside so I could enjoy their beauty. Anyway, guys, behind the car, you would see we have a cardinal coming to eat. He's easily hopping around. And if you take your time to look, you'll see in a few minutes, I'm sure he's going to pop up. Okay? And the birds and them, once the breeze cool down, they're still coming to eat. We have a lot of hungry birds. Your cardinal behind the car. Anyway, guys, I'm about to cook and I'm going to let you guys watch, okay? get a chance, watch on the back of the car. You can see him. He just sitting. The dog enjoying himself. Look at him now. Mm. He fill up half of that. Look, the cardinal on the ground by the car. The mama cardinal. She coming to eat. Pretty, eh? Wow. Hey, even the breeze blowing, they still want the food to eat. the wind blowing away the birds, huh?
They're gone.
They're gone?
They're all gone. None on the feeder, none on the ground, they're all gone.
So guys, it's so windy that the birds and them did not stick around to eat because the wind blowing really hard, and if you notice the feeder swaying from side to side, they cannot land properly on it. So they left a little while ago. You know, I paused the video because of the fact that I was hoping that they would come back, but it is like 20 minutes into the video. I know you guys only seen 10 minutes into the video, but I paused it because I would like you guys to see the birds, even though it's so windy. But they left, and I'll wait to see if they come back. Hopefully they come back soon, and we'll go from there. So friends, I saw a bird right on the feeder right now. Okay, occasionally, because of the little blue flowers in the yard, the hummingbirds come around. I have not seen any hummingbirds today, but there's one bird on the feeder. So So friends, the wind calmed down, and the cardinal decide that he ready to eat, and he do not like when anyone else on the feeder. So he just gonna eat for a few seconds and then he's gonna leave. See, those birds and I'm really gonna bug him and he's gonna leave. Maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, he did peck at him so they could leave. So guys, the cardinal went bye-bye and we're about to have breakfast, and I'll come back with you guys a little later on, okay? I'm gonna upload this video for you guys and I'll see you soon. Bye.